You're right, ladies. Men only want one thing. And that one thing is not what you're thinking. What men want is a big piece of property and peace and quiet. The house doesn't even need to be big. Just enough where they could stand on their back porch, stare at that sunset, with a drink in their hand, cigar in their teeth, and hearing no cars, no loud music from the neighbors next door. Just the animals, the insects buzzing, and the crackling roar of the fire. That peace and quiet. That's what all men want.